Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Girl Next Door and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So these are going to be the chords that you're going to be using in the verse and the chorus. It's going to be a C, G, D minor, and then F. And then for the bridge, we're going to use an A minor. So the strum pattern that we're going to use here is going to be a down, up, up, down. I'm going to play the rhythm of it so you guys can hear it, and then we'll start off with the chords after. So I'll play it slower this time with the chords on the screen, and you guys can play along. So now you got the strum pattern and the chords. We're going to play part of the chorus. I'll have the lyrics on the screen and the chords so you guys can play along. Alright? So now we're going to learn how to do the bridge. We're going to use the 4 chords we already learned. So it's going to be D minor, A minor, F, and G. So before we get into the bridge, I'm going to play you guys a little example of how it sounds like. Alright, so we're going to start off with the first chord, which is going to be a D minor, then A minor, so it's just A minor down and G down, then back to D minor, A minor, and this one is going to be F to G. So instead of the A minor, it's going to be F and G. Okay. So the only difference is those 2 chords, A minor, G, and F and G. Alright, so we're going to play the bridge and through the chorus with the lyrics and the chords on the screen. Thanks again guys for watching this video. I want to thank you all for getting this channel to 7,000 subscribers which was on January 18, 2019. So thank you, and let's keep going. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.